Many people ask me, how do I start selling on Wildberries? Here is a step-by-step plan. Step 1. Choosing a product is the hardest part. If the product is wrong, it will not sell, even with good logistic and advertising. I will make a separate video about how to choose the right product. Step 2. Before you start selling, calculate your numbers. You need to understand marketplace commission, logistics, fulfillment costs, advertising costs. Step 3. Next, find a reliable supplier. It can be in Russia, China, Turkey, or any other country. The most important things are stable quality, good prices, on-time delivery. Step 4. To sell on Wildberries, you need to register as a seller. For foreign entrepreneurs, this usually means opening a legal company in Russia. I will explain this step in another video. Step 5. Your product page is very important. You need strong photos, clear and simple description, correct category and keywords. If your product page is weak, your sales will be weak. Step 6. I recommended working with FBO. This means Wildberries stores and delivers your goods. It's better to ship to at least 3 warehouses in Russia. Usually, a fulfillment company helps with labeling, packaging, deliver to Wildberries warehouses. Step 7. After your product is delivered, promotion starts. You need first reviews, internal ads on Wildberries, simple A/B tests, for example, main photo. Then sales begin. What happens next? After the first sales, the real works begin. You improve production, logistics, advertising, profitability. Wildberries is not passive income. It requires constant attention. If you want to start without expensive mistakes, my team and I can help you from product analysis to full account management. Contact details are in the descriptions.